Hello and welcome back to Simply Science. In the last video, we started chapter light. Today we will continue the next part. Light rays travel in straight lines from a source. When these rays hit an object, they bounce off its surface and enter our eye. The process is called reflection and it is the reason we can see things around us. Some materials like mirrors or polished metals reflect light very well. These shiny surfaces allow us to see clear images. Other materials with rough or dull surfaces scatter light in many directions. Now with this information, can you tell me the property of light? Now, reflection can be of two types. When light falls on a smooth, shiny surface like a mirror, the reflected rays remain parallel. This is called regular reflection and it produces a clear image as you can see in the picture. But when light falls on an irregular surface or a rough surface, it reflects in many directions and do not produce a clear picture. Now, some important terms. The incoming ray is called the incident ray. The ray that bounces back is called the reflected ray. At the point of incident, we draw an imaginary perpendicular line called the normal. The angle between incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle between the reflected ray and the normal is called angle of reflection. Now next comes the laws of reflection, very important from the examination point of view. Laws of reflection are the fundamental principle in optics that determine how light behaves when it encounters a reflected surface, such as a mirror. So, first law of reflection states that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane, as you can see in this diagram. And the second law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, that is angle I is equal to angle R. Let's talk about plane mirror. If the reflecting surface is plane, then it is a plane mirror. The image formed by plane mirror is virtual and erect. The image is same size as that of object. The image formed is at the same distance from the mirror as that of the object. The image formed is laterally inverted. That means left and right are reversed. One of the best real life examples of lateral inversion is seen on an ambulance. On the front of an ambulance, the word ambulance is written in reverse.